Bandit level 4 to 5. Bandit level 4 to level 5. Level 1. The password for the next level is stored in the only human-readable file in the in here directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, try the reset command. Basically, for the next level, password is stored in a human-readable file in the in here directory. So we do SSH to log in this system. Level name SSH bandit 4, host name bandit.labs over the wire.org, port number here we need to put the password which we grab in previous level. This is the password for this level. Okay, we log in level 4. Level 5 password is stored in here directory. Okay, we read this directory with the help of ls. We got a new directory. Move to this new directory in here, which we count with ls. Do ls. Here many file. Okay, we need to cat to read this file. Basically, it's not human-readable file. So we do what we need to do, file is a command which basically file help to know what type of data in the file or type of the file. When enter the file, current directory, and start to follow this kind. Basically, file in this file we have our password, because in this file stored character which is human-readable. Cat of file in GS7. This is the password for the next level. Okay, to exit,